take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of yourself. I don't know if you've ever noticed that whenever you lock in to take care of yourself, like to lock in on your health, your fitness and stuff like that, you feel happier. I don't know if any other person feels like this, but I feel like that. Whenever I take care of myself, my looks, you know, they say when you look good, you feel good. That is so freaking true, because there are times in your life where you just be like, maybe you're not prioritizing your health, you're not prioritizing sleep, you're not prioritizing what you eat or what you put into your body, your fitness and all of that. And these things can tell on you. Sometimes you feel like, oh, they say drink so much water. Drinking water is really good. Having enough sleep is really good. You're not supposed to be like breaking your sleep pattern because of anybody, because of anything, because of maybe a relationship that is not working, a man. Baby, take care of yourself. Have your beauty sleep. Do your skincare, do your hair, do your makeup. Whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you look good, makes you feel good. Taking care of yourself is non-negotiable, baby. Yes, prioritize yourself. Why would you abandon yourself because of, I mean, sometimes it's hard, you know, we're human beings and things happen and you just be like, nah, let me just chill. And that is how you just fall out. And this past few months I've been really busy and I haven't been prioritizing my health. Sorry, well, I've been trying, you know, going to the gym and stuff, but I noticed that the moment that I decided to actually prioritize my health and my fitness, hit the gym, started eating right, you know, cut out so many things from my diet, from my meals, my diet, and like stuff like that, I started seeing changes in my body. Like today I just kept gushing on myself, like how clear my skin has been lately and how I look good, just because I decided to, you know, lock in and do these things to take care of my body. You would thank yourself. Your body would thank you. Do not sleep on yourself. Your body and yourself in its entirety is the best investment you can give to yourself. It's like when you invest in your body, it just comes back to you. It's like a full circle moment. I feel like a lot of us actually, there are times, I mean, it's not your fault. Like sometimes you just get carried away and you just forget to do certain things to take care of yourself, and then you just catch yourself lacking. And I'm like, and you're like, bro, what are you doing? Like, take care of yourself, take care of your body, take care of what you put inside. Like 2 months ago, I actually decided that I would do certain things. I would stop doing certain things, you know, to take care of my health, like what I put inside of my body. You know, I cut out so many things from my diet. Like I stopped eating certain things. I stopped eating at certain hours of the night. And when I tell you that these things are actually showing up now, like I can literally see it and I can feel it. I can feel like my body, people actually just see me recently, like people just been seeing me. I'm like, you look so good. Like my sister actually saw me the other day and she was like, oh my god, you look so good, like you've actually lost weight. And I was like, oh, are you serious? I actually noticed, but I didn't even know that people would actually notice, like, because I really wasn't even taking notes. But I knew that I had kind of like lost weight, but I didn't know it was that serious. So when she told me, I was like, wow, so it's actually true, like it's actually working. I wasn't even doing it on a very, very serious note. I just made sure to stick to whatever goals that I set for myself, and that is how you achieve goals. Like you have to prioritize. It's all about priority. Prioritize these things and make sure these are the non-negotiables. Take care of yourself, girl, and you would thank yourself, literally. Like when you start seeing the result, and most of the time it's like, don't even rush yourself to, or like beat yourself up when you're not seeing the result. Just keep going, just make it a lifestyle, and in the long run you would see it, basically, because it's like, it's not an overnight thing. Come on now. these days, no matter how tired I am, I always do my skincare, the things that I know that I need to do. Anything that makes you feel good, do it. If you need to do your hair, your lashes, your makeup, whatever you need to do, as long as you have the money to do it, you can even do it yourself. Do DIY all these things. Do the things that you need to do to feel better and to improve on your health, everything you need to do, and your body will literally thank you, period. Like, the way I literally get obsessed with myself sometimes is like, gosh, there's no way you would not love yourself when you take care of yourself. It's like, that is self-love. That is you prioritizing yourself. That is you choosing yourself. Because if you don't treat yourself well, like, you don't even expect, like, how will people treat you if you don't treat yourself well? Like, when people come into your life and they see how you take care of yourself, they see how you carry yourself, they see how you pamper yourself, it shows them how to treat you. So if you're neglecting yourself, you're neglecting your goals, your everything you've set in place for yourself, how would you achieve those things? Like, how do you expect people to treat you well when you don't even prioritize yourself? Huh? No. Get your shit together. Discipline. One thing that will get you doing the things that you feel like you could not even do, even in your weakest moments, even in the points where, not to brag, babes, not to brag, but like times where I feel down the most, those are the times where I see strength to do the things that I need to do. When I say hard times, I mean times where, like, it's like physical, it's not even, maybe mental, physical, like I don't even have the energy to do shit, like nada. I don't know, I think when I'm in these dark moments in my life where I'm tired, maybe it's just God, but I see strength in those hard times. I think it also comes from a place of discipline as well. Discipline to the point where no matter what you're going through, especially when it's something you know that, okay, I'm going through this thing, but yeah, I can still help myself, I can still push through. You have to encourage yourself, you have to tell yourself, you have to remind yourself where you're coming from and where you're going. And these are the things that will give you strength to reach your goals. Because like, if you don't remind yourself, like, you know, when you know where you're coming from and where you're headed, nobody will tell you. You will take your ass up and move. It's like, sometimes I'm just lazy and I'm tired. Maybe not lazy, maybe tired, maybe weak, maybe down, maybe mentally drained or whatever. I just pick myself up. Like, I don't know, strength just comes from nowhere. And I just pick myself up and I'm like, you know what? These goals will not reach themselves by themselves. We have to move. There has to be motion. There has to be, like, get on your Zoom. If you don't get on your Zoom, like, how are you going to achieve these goals? So yeah, you have to find strength in your weakness. That's the point I'm trying to make. Find strength in your weakness. Get up and get going. You know, the things that you do every day, your daily routine, those are the things that actually determine how, like, what you will achieve at the end of the day, like at the end of the month, 3 months time, 6 months time. And if you're not doing anything, you're waiting for the best time, you're waiting for the best moment. Oh, right now I'm actually heartbroken, right now I'm actually sad. Okay then, you can take 1 or 2 days break, but do not stay down. Do not stay down. You can fall down. You're allowed to sleep, you're allowed to sleep up, but you're not allowed to stay down for a long time. Help yourself, okay? Encourage yourself. David encouraged himself in the Lord, period. When I look at those things and I look at where I'm coming from and where I'm headed, nobody will tell me now. I'll have to encourage myself, because baby. So discipline yourself and take care of yourself. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, life is better. Even when it's bad, life is literally better when you feel good. The things that you expect people to do for you, oh, there's nobody to encourage me, there's nobody to assist me, there's nobody to help me, I need a bestie that will do this with me, I need a friend, I wish I had a friend. Like, these are just excuses. Encourage yourself, pick yourself up. You're the only one, you're the only thing you've got. I feel like there's nobody else that would actually encourage you the way you would do yourself. Yeah, that's the little word that I have today. Bye. Good night. Good night.